Morning students, today we are going to study part 7 of your class 9 economics. In our last part, means in part 6, we studied about wants and its characteristics. Now here in this lecture we are going to study the classification of wants. Mainly the wants have been classified into three groups. First is necessaries, second is comforts, and third is luxuries. So first we are going to study about necessaries. Necessaries are those goods or services the consumption of which is considered indispensable, means without which a person cannot survive. So those necessaries have also been divided into three groups. One is necessaries for life, second is necessaries for efficiency, and third is conventional necessaries. Now first, necessaries for life. The things or goods which are necessary for survival or existence is called necessaries for life. Means if we talk about food, without food a person cannot survive. So food is one of the necessaries of life. Food, clothes, shelter, all these things come under necessaries for life. Now second, necessaries of efficiency. Those things means goods or services which increase our efficiency, energy and ability to work is called necessary for efficiency. Like if we take milk, if we eat fruits, if we eat good vegetables, so it increases our efficiency. If somebody is eating only chapati to fulfill the hunger of his stomach, then it is necessary of life. He is only fulfilling his want for living. But if with that chapati he also takes some curd, he also takes some juices, fruits, different vegetables, and some milk, then his efficiency is increased. So these things or goods come under necessary of efficiency. And third is conventional necessaries. So, conventional necessaries are those goods which have to be satisfied to maintain conventions prevailing in a society. Like example, at the time of marriage people give dowry for their conventional necessaries. People entertain their guests, that is also conventional necessaries, means only to satisfy or only to maintain the conventions prevailing in the society. Now second, comforts. Comforts are those wants the satisfaction of which does not increase our efficiency, but if we do not consume it, it decreases our efficiency. Like refrigerator, fan, washing machine, other electric equipments, these are called comforts. Like this fan, if in this summer people are not sitting under the fan, they keep on sweating and their efficiency of working decreases. If they do not take cold water, their efficiency decreases. If they make use of washing machine for washing the clothes, their efficiency does not decrease. But if they wash their clothes with their hands without any washing machine, then their efficiency decreases. And last is luxuries. Wants for luxuries refer to those goods which are used for leading a luxurious life. These goods includes costly cars, costly clothing, ornaments, gold ornaments, expensive clothes, etc. Now these luxuries have been divided into two parts. One is harmless luxuries and second is harmful luxuries. Harmless luxuries are those luxuries consumption of which does not harm anybody. Like if somebody is riding costly cars, wearing gold ornaments, wearing expensive clothes, then it will not harm his body at all. But if somebody is using wine, somebody is doing gambling, somebody is using opium, then it is also luxuries, but it is called a harmful luxuries. So here this topic of classification of wants is complete. In our next lecture we will discuss about goods and its features and also the classification of goods. Till then, thank you, goodbye.